Hello everyone, how are we all? We're out today. Me and Nat are going to. More for you if you're interested really. We're going to Wetherspoons. We've just walked past, it's a bit busy at the minute, so we're going to go back in a bit. Valentine's. Doing Valentine's meals for two. There's our Natalie. Oh. Valentine's meals for two. We don't usually do Valentine's, but I thought we're going to do it today. Just to show. See what it's like. I think it's two. I think you get 2 meals and 2 puddings and a drink each for 22 quid, I think it is, or something.
That's not bad.
Depends what you get on the menu, innit?
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? So.
Oh, is it a set menu?
I don't know, Bab. I don't know nothing about it. It's just what's online.
Oh, right.
So what we'll do is we'll go and have a look in there. We've got a few things to do in town anyway. We're going to go get a coffee because it's a bit early yet, ain't it? Well, it's not early, it's busy. It's quite busy. So we're going to go after the dinner rush has gone. We're going to be in there and I'll show you. I'll have a look what they're doing and what's what and have a bite to eat and see what it's like. In Wetherspoons, bad news. We got bad news. I thought I seen online that it was doing it up until Wednesday. But in this one, it's only Wednesday and it's 2 for 25. So we can't have a Valentine's meal, whatever it is on the menu. So we're just going to have something normal. And I'll buy her a pudding as well.
Fancy a pizza.
Fancy a pizza again? Okay, we'll have a look what we're getting anyway. I haven't decided yet. And then we'll bring it back. A bit disappointed really because I wanted to see what the menu was like, but never mind, eh? Yeah, it's not worth leaving it till Wednesday, is it? Because we're here now, ain't we? We're here now. I wanted to do it to show, just to show you, lot for Wednesday we was going to go out for something. But never mind, eh? We'll order something and then I'll show you. Right, we looked through the menu. There's a few things we've had before. Got a beer, got a Carling, and that's got a passion fruit cider.
Tastes quite nice actually.
Might taste nice.
Tastes alright. A bit weird.
Now we didn't want, Nat wanted a pizza first, but we've had that. She changed her mind. We're both going to have, because it's all cocked up now, innit? We didn't want a steak or anything, did we?
No.
So we're just going to have an all-day brunch.
Yeah.
Seen it on the menu for, oh yeah, let's have some bacon and some sausage and some eggs. Why not?
Yeah.
But never mind, eh? I could have left it, we could have went and left it till Wednesday, but nah, never mind, we're here now, ain't we, so
Yeah.
let me know anyway if you're going to have a Wetherspoons Valentine's, 2 for 25, I thought it said 2 for 22 online, maybe I've misread it or something, I don't know, or maybe somewhere else in the country, I don't know, but anyway, cheers, and I'll show you when the food comes. Oh, and we've also had some pudding. That's had a chocolate fudge cake. Fudge cake.
Something like that. I can't remember.
Yeah, chocolate fudge cake, and I've had apple crumble. So, there we go. Show you when it comes. Food is here. Let me show you. That reckons it looks nice. I don't think it's worth the money, but let me show you. It's a bit dark. Don't get many chips. There's bacon. Probably a tablespoon of beans. Some eggs buried. And that's. It was. Let me see if I can find the menu. All day brunch. No, you can see that properly. That's the price. $11.25 with the beer. Oh, zoom in. That's what it is. Eh? Quite nice.
Pleasantly surprised.
Pleasantly surprised, Bab. There's some salt on.
Not the chips.
Not them chips.
Better than the chips we had the other day.
Bit of a weird Valentine meal, isn't it, sweetheart?
Don't matter, does it? We don't normally.
We don't celebrate it anyway, do we? So.
No. I don't see the point in it.
No.
Each to their own.
I've got to open this stupid sauce
You
now.
want me to try it for you?
Yeah, I can't do them.
You'll never do these, can you?
No.
There you go.
Got it. Top up. Get some of that on there. Some brown sauce. There's the fries. Bit hard, them chips in the middle. A little bit hard. Bit of sausage. Sausages ain't bad. Yeah, them sausages ain't bad at all.
They're not the ones you get on a sandwich in the morning.
Not the ones you get on a sandwich in the morning.
They're way different.
You didn't like them, did you?
No, they were horrible.
Bacon. I do probably about the angle, guys. It's busy in here and I don't want to get people and there's kids here and that, so I just want to. Bacon's got a nice bit of salt, hasn't it?
I'm enjoying mine.
Tastes better than it looks actually, doesn't it?
I'm proper enjoying mine.
I'm a bit disappointed with the old beans.
My beans look better than yours.
There's probably half a tin between us. And the old beans. Get some egg.
I'm not keen on my egg.
You're not keen on your egg?
No, because it's netty.
Netty egg. I can't get you.
I've got square eggs. You've got circle eggs. I've got square eggs.
Got the yolk. The chip. I find my chips a little bit hard. Your chips aren't. No, your chips okay in the middle.
Mine hasn't been too bad.
Okay, guys. Gonna go and eat now for August cold. And I'll show you the pudding when it comes. Just look at that, guys. It's nuts. That's normal price. 2 till 5. That's the price there. So we paid 8.80 with a drink. Yeah. We've ate it. We had a final review at the end. Wait for the pudding. Pudding's here. 50 minutes later. At brunch, and I went up and got the pudding, which was already paid for at the start. So you just come and tell us when you want it and we get it. 50 minutes we've been waiting. Now let me show you. That looks nice.
It's disgusting.
There's mine. I know it's up crumble. Custard does look quite thick. I do like the thick custard. There's that. That looks nice. Isn't it, Bab?
But it's hard, because we have to pick up the on Saturday, now
See.
the else going to the bed or whatever, and it's like,
Skin on it,
I
look.
take her to work, and we come back, and we can't get nowhere.
Let's have a crack.
They look nice, don't they?
Huh?
They look nice. It doesn't smell very nice either.
Bowl's hot, but it's microwave hot.
Mine's cold.
No, you got ice cream, so it's going to be
No, the
boiling hot.
cake's meant to be warm. It was supposed to be hot fish cake.
Well, that's hot.
Is it hot? It looks deceiving then. It
very
looks
hot.
cold.
No, it's microwave hot.
Oh, microwave
You know when
hot.
you get that?
Yeah.
It's different hot, isn't it?
I mean, I said to you guys Sunday morning, I went, which you went out on
Try it
Saturday
again.
morning. Every time she just texts me.
I'm very disappointed today. It's all gone wrong, isn't it?
It's gone totally wrong today.
I was talking to Amy, weren't I? We were like, what you were saying to me now. I went, Sunday, I went, when was you going to text me?
Yeah.
But I said, and he was trying to make
There's
it,
no,
then he went, there's no excuses. So
Crunchy bit on the
I can
crumble.
smell it from
I
here.
had to make an excuse. I went, exactly.
Is that custard creamy? Or is it very sweet?
It's thick and
Sweet. Like a cheap custard.
it's like a trifle custard. It's sour like my custard anyway.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you do,
I
don't
do
you?
like my custard like that anyway.
Like going to the nabby or something and having something.
What about the crumble?
The topping is like,
Then he was like, well, I'll get it back. Oh, I'll like that.
you know, you make a crumble and you put it first on.
Like that. I'll get it
It's like that. It's not like ground up and that kind of stuff.
Anybody decided what to
Do you want to try some of mine?
And then potatoes are very bitter.
But then again, you don't put it over.
Potatoes, apples, very, very bitter. Oh,
I know.
Yes, obviously, because they
oh, very bitter.
I like them sitting in bed at night. So, you know what I mean? It's
Like zingy.
Yeah. Oh. Right, I'm getting a review at the end, not a good one. Right, we're back home, ain't we, Bab? What do you think of it?
That was disgusting.
It was bad. It was very bad.
My bacon tasted like a dirty pan.
My bacon was okay. Hers was terrible. Nuts was terrible. She gave it me in the end, and it was terrible, weren't it? It was bad.
Tasted like a dirty pan.
My beans were terrible, but hers were nuts
Mine
were
were
okay.
okay.
Really weird.
My chips.
You can
were
tell it's
hard.
microwave because they've over microwaved it, haven't they?
My chips were
So
hard,
they-
but they put more hard chips underneath my soft chips.
Yeah, she had hard chips at the bottom. Well, I had hard chips all the way through. My apple pie, I don't know what that was, but it was so bitter.
It was really zingy, wasn't it?
And it took 45 minutes, didn't it, to come? 45 minutes.
Mine was supposed to be warm chocolate cake. They'd warmed it up, but I think they'd left it on the side for like half an hour.
Yeah, I think I put them on the side
Because
and forgot, and then gone and warmed them up in the microwave.
it tasted like stale cake.
It was really bad.
was
I have just looked online, and it is only for one day only on that Wednesday. So that was my mistake. I didn't read the bottom of it.
What's long?
I don't think I'm going to Wetherspoons ever again.
Don't. I said to you on the way over.
We're going for like a coffee now, but I don't think I'm going in there to have it.
I don't
It's
think
just
I'm
a
going
waste
there
of
to have
time. We've had a few, and they're just bad now at the minute, and that.
They're going really bad. They've gone terrible.
So we think we're not going to bother anymore. I prefer to pay a bit extra
And go somewhere
and
else.
go somewhere else and have something nice, because we've had a few bad ones from there now,
We've had
haven't
quite
we?
a few, haven't we?
So we're not going to bother anymore. You can send it back, of course you can. But the channel's not about that, is it? It's about reviewing it. And if it's no good, I'll let you know.
Yeah.
Because every Wetherspoon's different anyway.
Of course they are.
So, yeah, but I'm not going. It's been a bad one, and it was going to go do a Valentine's thing, weren't we? Which we don't celebrate anyway, do we?
No.
We don't celebrate Valentine's, but I was going to do it for you lot. Just to show you the menu.
The menu was like a meal,
But
Oh,
I swear I read somewhere that it was like for the weekend and then up to Wednesday, but I must have read it wrong.
it's probably on different. It's probably at different Wetherspoons.
Yeah,
not
I've read
ours.
it wrong
Subject
somewhere,
to
and I've just looked
availability
again.
or something like that.
I've just looked again, it is for one day only.
Oh, there you go.
But there we go. But mine was 28 quid with the beers, and that's 25.
And if that is something that you're gonna get on Valentine's, I wouldn't bother.
Yeah, I mean, you're going to get a steak or something, ain't you? But it's going to be cooked the same, isn't it?
It's gonna be cooked the same.
Well, there we go, anyway. Recording's a bit rubbish because we're stuck in the corner. You had the barman kick off and storm out, didn't we? People giving me the daggers for staring.
Some people, there's an old lady and her husband, she had her meal, she ate hers, and 20 minutes later,
His come.
all burnt and everything, weren't it?
It was really
It
bad,
was
wasn't
really
it?
bad in there stuff. I've never
really
seen
bad,
it
no.
like that, but that was bad.
But you still shouldn't, even if you're busy, you still should have a bit of quality there, shouldn't you?
That cake was nasty.
And the cake was nasty. Well, anyway, all in all, there we go. So I couldn't do Valentine. I tried. Till the next time. We'll see you later.
See you later.
And it's pancake day tomorrow. So,
Oh, I don't want no more food.
see you later. Bye-bye.